In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your Honda Accord Key Fob battery. First thing you need to do is slide over this lever so that you can remove the emergency key. Now in a pinch, you can use this key and pry between these two little holes here, and that will open this up, but I prefer to use a screwdriver if I've got one. And you're just going to take your screwdriver, pry between these two pieces here. That's going to open this up, and then you've got a CR2032 battery there that you need to replace. In order to remove this, I like to go in from the top here, take a screwdriver, and you can remove that CR2032 battery. We've got links to replacement batteries below. If you want to support us, please click on that. We take our new CR2032 battery, slide it in place, and now we're just going to put the cover back on our Honda Accord Key Fob, and we're going to snap it in place all the way around until it encloses. And now we're going to put our emergency key back in here, and that is how you replace a Honda Accord Key Fob battery. Hope you enjoy. Please give us that thumbs up, and if you want to support us, subscribe, or you can click that link to the battery.